Yes, class, good morning. Today we'll discuss here a new topic, ellipse. This is the third topic of the conic section. Your two topics of conic section, circle and parabola has been completed. Today we'll discuss here ellipse. What is the ellipse here? Ellipse is the set of the all points in a plane. Ellipse is the set of the all points in a plane whose distance of the two fixed point is the constant. Means suppose 2 points, suppose you are taking 2 points here, suppose you are taking 2 point f1, 1 point here and second point here f2. It means sum of the distance of fixed 2 point in a plane is a constant. So suppose you are taking the any point in this shape, suppose this shape, suppose this point here, suppose A point, and now you taking here 1 point here B, and now taking this point here also here B. But this one, I am taking only 2 points here. There are many points on this in circle. Suppose that you take one more pointing here, one more pointing here, one here, one here. In this type shape, you are taking the more than 1 point here. Means in this shape you came here, in this shape you came here, figure is formed. It is called the ellipse. In this shape figure is called here ellipse. It means distance of the two fixed point. So this the A f1b plus b f2 equal to A f1 plus A f2. Means distance between of this plus this will be equal of distance between this and this point. Suppose you are taking one more point here, one more point, suppose you are taking here in this point here, then this one also is equal to, suppose a D point this, then f1d equal to df2. So how many points you are taking? Suppose you are taking 10 point, 100 point, 1000 point. These points will be follow in these conditions. Then figure will be formed here the ellipse. Means sum of the distance of the two fixed point will be always the constant. So this condition is follow your figure. Then your figure name will be the ellipse. So this is the formation of the ellipse. The name of these two fixed points. Suppose you are draw the line segment of the two from the line segment of the two fixed point f1 f2. The name of this point f1 f2 is called the focus point, and this is the focus point. At length of the focus point to this is the passing point of the ellipse. A and B is the passing point of the ellipse, and f1 f2 point is the focus point of the ellipse. So then name of this line segment is called the major axis, whose line passing through the focus point is called the major axis, and perpendicular line of this, suppose you are drawing the perpendicular line of this of the perpendicular line of the major axis is called the minor axis, and a center point of the f1 f2 is called the center of the axis, center of the ellipse. This point is called the center of the ellipse. Means midpoint of the f1 f2. The midpoint of the f1 f2 is called the center of the ellipse. This one is called the center of the ellipse. And the midpoint of the f1 f2. This is a midpoint. Means midpoint of f1 f2 is called center of the ellipse. This is center of the ellipse. So yes, note down you. Then we will discuss here how many types of the ellipse. Yes, student, we will discuss here about the ellipse here. Ellipse are the first the major axis is the x-axis, then ellipse will be formed in this shape. Ellipse will be formed in this shape when major axis is the in this shape. This is not working on properly. This is the major axis. This is the x-axis. This is the x-dash. This is the y-axis, and this one is the y-dash axis. So this is the major axis. Because this is the major axis, this is the name of this axis is minor axis. Our name of this axis is major axis. Because your length is the major, this x, the more length is taking the x-axis, this is the major axis, or you are taking the minor length here, this is called the minor axis. Suppose you are in this shape, then your y-axis will be, major axis. And this is the x, and this will be x dash. This is the y dash. So this axis, name of this axis is minor axis. Because here the length is small, the minor axis, or y axis is the major, length is the major axis. Second things here. What is the coordinate of? Suppose this name of this point here A, and name of this point here B, and here C, and here D, and name of this point here O, vertex O, the origin point vertex is O, and this is the F1 and F1 and F2. Because F1 and F2 O F1 equal to O F2. This length always is the same. Origin from focus point left side, origin to focus point is right side. The F1 and F2 both is the focus point, means this is the foci. F1, F2 are called is the foci point, focus point here. And suppose you are taking this point here, any point of taking on the ellipse. It means this length, the coordinate of these minor axis always are called 0B. Coordinate of the are always major axis. Coordinate of the major axis always is the A0, means length of the coordinate of this length A0, and coordinate of the A are minus A0. Similarly here 0 minus B. So always you will take here the coordinate, major axis coordinate always take the A0. Suppose you are taking coordinate here, suppose here A and B and C and D. This will always come take 0A, and here we are taking the B0. We are taking minus, so 0 minus A, and here you are taking the minus B0. This thing is the fix. When you taking the coordinate of the major axis, the coordinate of the major axis is always A0. So these will be the these coordinate will be the x-axis or y-axis. This is not matter. Suppose major axis is x-axis, the coordinate will be A0. Major axis is the y-axis here, then coordinate is 0A. So two different types here figure. Second things, what is the coordinate of this? Coordinate of the focus point here, C minus C0. And what is the coordinate of this? C0. Same things here. Suppose focus point here F1 and F2. What is the coordinate of this? 0C. And what is the coordinate of this? 0 minus C. The focus point, always coordinate of the focus point. The coordinate of the focus point here F1, focus point here F1 coordinate here minus C0, coordinate of F2 here C0. Similarly here coordinate of the A point here major axis, minus a0, and coordinate of B is a0. Next coordinate of the C point here 0b, and coordinate of the D point, coordinate of the one 0 minus b. Same thing here. Coordinate of the B here minor axis b0. Coordinate of the A here minus b0, and coordinate of the C here 0b 0a, or coordinate of the D here 0 minus a. So this is the major axis, and this is the minor axis. This is the minor axis, and this is the major axis. Here opposite of this is the major axis, or here this is the major axis. But coordinate will be same. a0 a0, minus a0 0 minus a. Then minor axis coordinate here b0, but here minor axis coordinate here 0 b. So y axis here minor axis, or here x axis here minor axis. So this is the simple thing here. What is the coordinate of the major axis and minor axis? The important things here. The next important thing here. So what is the length of the OB? The length of the OB here, the length of the OB, total length of AB is A. And length of the OC here, this is called the C. Same thing here, total length of this and this point here, this is called the minus A here, means length A here, and length of this minus C here, from this point to this point. So then minus C. The same thing here, what is the total length of major axis? This is the total length of the major axis here, A, or length of the focus to center here, C. Means length from the center to vertex point of the center to vertex point of the ellipse. This is the A, or length of the vertex center to focus point is the C. This is the fix always. So now you look the in triangle here. In triangle, suppose OCOF2, COF2. In look in this triangle. Look in this triangle here, CF2 here. In this triangle you will look this CF in this triangle. So now means the length of this, or what is the length of this? This is the B length, and this is the C length. So in triangle you look at the CF2. What will be of the CF2 here? CF2 will be equal here to B square plus C square. In triangle CO, this is the O point here. This is the origin point, center point O. So COF2. What is the length of COF2 here? To B square plus C square equal to CF2 equal N. Similarly here, CF1 equal to same thing here. B square plus minus C square. So this will be your B square plus C square, CF1. Now adding both the things here, adding both here, the CF1 plus CF2 equal to 2, and this will be square also this here. This will be root here. So then now you putting the root 2 square B square plus C square. So this is your equation first. When you adding this both here, CF1, CF2 and CF1, the result will become here B square plus C square, B square plus C square. The 2B square plus C square, or this square converted to the right side, then square root. Second thing here, suppose you are according to definition of the ellipse. According to definition of the ellipse here, the OF1, now the O length of this length of the CF1 plus CF2 equal to F1B plus F2B. Means length of the two fixed point from the C, F1C plus CF2 equal to F1B plus F2B. So this value of this here, what value of the F1 B1? Now F1 B, you can write F1 B here to O F1 plus OB. Next, and you will write here F2 B here, F2 B OB minus OB minus OF2. OF2. So what is the coordinate of the OF1? OF1 is coordinate is the minus C. OB, what is the length of the OB here? Plus A. And what is the length of the OB here? Plus C. And what is the coordinate here? OF2. OF2 here, OB here A and OB here minus C. OF2. OF2 here minus C. Here this will be C length. OF1. The C length here, length will be C here. So then this plus C minus C will be cancelled here. So what is the left here? CF1 plus CF2 equal to 2A. CF1 plus CF2 equal to A plus A is equal to 2A. And what value is CF1, CF2 here? So 2 root B square plus A square equal to 2 here. This will be cancelled here. That means A square equal to A square plus B square plus C square. So this is your identity of what value of the A square. What value of the A square here? A square equal to B square plus C square. This is the value of the A square. According to this, this is the identity of the ellipse first. After that, first you note down, then we will discuss another point. But first, reminded you, when you will take this OF equal to the OF2. This value is equal because coordinate of the F1 F2 the equidistant from the center. This is the focus point of the equidistant from the center. Second things, this length and this length, sum of this and this length equal to sum of the F1 B equal to OB. So then this is according to definition we are using this. This will be according to definition of the ellipse, and this is according to definition of the triangle. So then you are equal this, then you will find this identity here. So yes, you note down. Or same rules in the when your major axis is the y axis, then you are applying the same condition. The identity will be coming the same. Identity will be not different. Suppose you are in this condition will applying in this figure, identity will be always come the same, because your major axis, coordinate of the major axis you are fixed 0A. Mean A is always the coordinate of the major axis. B is always the coordinate of the minor axis. Then according this way you will be putting the value this and find the value of same value, you will get the same value. A square equal to B square plus C square. Yes, note down it, then we will discuss further it. Yes, then next we will discuss here what is the length of the major axis and what is the length of the minor axis here. So suppose your major axis, your x-axis here, so means the length of the major axis. The length of major axis. This is equal to, now look here, this length here, total length O to B here, total here A, same total length A to A here, so it means OA plus OB. So this will be here A plus A, this will total length here 2A. The length of the major axis here OA plus OB equal to 2A. Similarly here, length of minor axis equal to OC plus OD. What is the length of here? B plus B. This will be length total here 2B. So length of the minor axis here OC plus OD, length B. So coordinate here B here also and B also. So B plus B equal to 2B, or A plus A equal to same identity here. The coordinate of this here 0A, or here 0 minus A. Here B 0, here minus B 0. The length of major axis length of major axis same thing here 2a. Length of major axis when major axis is x, then 2a. When major axis is the y, the length always come here 2a. Or length of minor axis, and minor axis equal to 2b. It is fixed. The length of the minor axis 2b, 2b. Length of major axis 2a and 2a. Here major axis is the x-axis, or here major axis is the here major axis is the y-axis, or here major axis is the x-axis. Here minor axis here y-axis, or here minor axis is the y-axis. According to this, these two things are fixed. Length of the major axis always here 2a, or length of the minor axis here 2b. So these things are fixed. Second things. The second things here. What is the equation of the ellipse when major axis is the x-axis, or what is the equation of the ellipse when major axis is the y-axis? Now look here, the equation of the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. What is the x? X means major axis here, x-axis here. So your coordinate of the major intercept of the x-axis is a. So a is the intercept always is the major axis. The x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. और here equation के x square upon b square plus y square upon a square equal to 1. This is the equation of the ellipse when major axis is the y. Intercept a here belong with the y. Intercept a here belong with the y. That means major axis. This is your major axis. Or here this is one of your major axis. So means y square upon a. Where is the a? Where is your a? This is your major axis. This means this is your major axis. And here a square here with the x. This is your major axis, the x square. Next thing, what is the length of the LR? Length of latus rectum. Length of the latus rectum means LR. The length of latus rectum equal to 2b square upon a. This length is the fixed. Your major axis is the x-axis and minor axis. This is not matter. Here same thing. The length of latus rectum. Two b square upon 2a. 2b square upon a. So this is length of major axis is 2b square upon a, or here 2b square upon a. So this thing. Next things here, eccentricity. What is the eccentricity here? Eccentricity represented by the e, and this will be upon. Eccentricity. What is the eccentricity? Eccentricity is the ratio of the lengths between center to vertex and center to focus point. Means what eccentricity is the ratio of the length, means E equal to C upon A. Means eccentricity length of the center to vertex point to center of the focus point. So C, this length of this length is the C and this length is A. The C upon A. The ratio of the C upon A. What is the ratio of the both the length here? So this is called here the eccentricity. For eccentricity always here less than 1. This will be always less than 1. This value of the eccentricity always is less than 1 because the length of the A is greater than compared than C. So when you divide the major number to minor number, smaller number, then you get here less than 1. The value of the A is greater than C. According to triangles law also here. Suppose you are using the triangles law here, the value. So then C is always less than compared than A. The value of the eccentricity of C upon A, the ratio of the C upon A is always comes than less than is 1. So then length of the LR equal to 2b square upon A, or what is the eccentricity? C equal to, so T equal to CE. Again we can write here C equal to AE. You can write also this C equal to AE. or same thing here, this is not changed. The E equal to C upon A means you can write here C equal to A. Suppose your major axis is y axis, value this will not change, and only equation of the ellipse will be changed here. Equation of the ellipse will be changed, rest will be nothing change. Just note down it, then next. Yes, student. Now taking the first question of the exercise 11.13. In this question we will solve here to find the coordinate of the foci. Second answer, the vertex coordinate of the vertices. Third answer, the length of the major and minor axis. And fourth answer, eccentricity. And fifth answer, the length of the lateral rectum of the ellipse. You will find the five answers in these questions. First, we will be check this question. This equation given, which is the major axis or which is the minor axis. First, we decide this. Now, 36 is greater than the 16, then we can show the major axis. The major axis will be x-axis, because the value of the 36 here, 36 belongs in the intercept of the x-axis, or 16 in intercept of the y-axis. That means the 36 is greater than the major axis your x-axis. Then the major axis will be your x-axis. And now we will equate here then x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to L. So this is the equation first. Equation first equating this identity. This is the equation of the ellipse when major axis is the x-axis. This is the equation of the ellipse when x-axis is the major axis, because the 36 intercept of the x-axis is greater than the y-axis. Then you can say that your major axis will be x-axis. And now equate here a square equal to 36. Then you can say here what value of here 6. You will take here only positive value, don't take here negative value. Means x square equal to 32, what value of the x here? A square equal to 30 the value of a equal to plus minus 6, but you will take always here positive value, don't take negative. Second, b square equal to 16, then you can write here b equal to 4. That means you have get the value of a and b here. After that you will find the value of c. Now what value of the c square here? Value of the a square equal to b square plus c square. Then you can write here c square equal to b square, a square minus b square, a square minus b square. So now putting the value here, the c square equal to 36 and minus 16. The answer here comes 20. What value of the c? 4 5 is 20, the 2 root 5. The value of the 2 here 2 root 5. According to this identity, you will find the value of the c. So value of the a here 6, value of the b here 4, and value of the c here c square here 20. The value of the c here 4 5 here 20, the 2 root 5. After that you will write here one by answer here. First answer you will write the when your major axis is the x-axis. When you x-axis is major axis, then foci, coordinate of the foci plus minus a0. This will be foci coordinate will be here plus minus, what will be here 6 0. This is the first answer, your foci. Second, your vertex of second your foci your major axis is the a0. Then vertexes of the ear, vertex vertices here, what your vertices here plus minus mean foci. What is the foci? Foci here 2 root, sorry, this is a foci here 2 root 5 0, and vertex here 6 0 plus minus 6 0. This is the major axis, and plus minus 0 plus minus 4. This is the major axis and this one is the minor. 4 minor axis here. So your foci point here plus minus a dot plus minus c. Foci always counted as c plus minus c. So what value of the c are putting here? Vertexes, major axis vertexes, and this is the minor axis. Vertex of the minor axis. Second what? The length of the major axis. Now next, length of major axis equal to 2a. So 2 into 6 equal to 12 unit. And similarly length of minor equal to 2b. So 2 into 4 equal to 8 unit. When are using the length, then you write the unit also here. This next answer is complete. Next, eccentricity. What is the eccentricity next? Eccentricity E equal A C upon A. C upon A. What value of this C? 2 root 5 upon 6. C upon A. The 2 root 5 of the means what value of this? This one root 5 upon 3. This is your answer. Next answer here, the length of the latus rectum. Now length of the latus rectum, length of the LR, latus rectum equal to 2b square upon A. So what value of the B here? 4. Square of B square is 16 upon A. A will be here 6. 2b square upon A means 2 3 is 6. So 16 upon 3 unit. When you are using the word is a length, then you will write here unit. The 16 upon 3, yeah, 5 whole 1 by 3 your answer. So this is all 5 answers have been completed. According this you will solve. First we will decide which axis is the major axis. Suppose this thing is clear, then you find 1 by 1 answer. This is not problem. Yes, this is not down. Then next question.